Hi, you're watching Tang News, and this episode is packed with exciting new updates. Let's dive in. Breaking news: Tang Foundation names Maximilian as CEO. Maximilian, the co-founder of fintech powerhouse MoonPay, is stepping in as CEO of Tang Foundation, a major move as Tang hits new heights. With the track record of scaling MoonPay into a global crypto giant, Krang joins just as Tang celebrates 41 million active accounts, 121 million Tangcoin holders, and deeper integration with Telegram. A new chapter begins. Welcome aboard, Maximilian. Moving on, Libre and Tang Foundation launched a $500 million Telegram bond fund on Tang blockchain. Libre, the on-chain infrastructure for regulated real-world assets, and the Tang Foundation announced plans to tokenize $500 million worth of Telegram bonds through the launch of the tokenized Telegram bond fund on the Tang blockchain. This initiative will allow institutional and accredited investors within the Tang ecosystem to access Telegram's about $2.4 billion in outstanding bonds through a DeFi native format, offering compliant, on-chain exposure to institutional-grade yield products. Libre will deploy its multi-phase Libre Gateway infrastructure on Tang to facilitate compliant subscriptions, redemptions, and transfers, enabling seamless fiat and stablecoin access through Tang native wallets. This marks one of the largest institutional RW deployments to date and positions Tang as the major player in the RW space. Libre has already tokenized over $200 million in assets across funds managed by leading institutions such as BlackRock, Brevan Howard, Hamilton Lane, and Laser Digital. These funds, along with new TBF, will be accessible to Tang's users, bringing a wide range of TradeFi assets into the blockchain environment. Next up, Ethena and Tang blockchain. Ethena is working with Tang blockchain and Telegram to bring the world's most powerful financial use case to life: sending, saving, and paying with globally accessible dollar, Ethena's USDe, directly inside Telegram's native wallet. Launching in May, USDe and Tang native TSUSDe will be available in both custodial and non-custodial wallets. Users can acquire USDe via StungFi or Stargate Finance and stake to earn rewards. Plus, early holders of TSUSDe on select wallets will receive an additional 10% APY boost. With over 3 billion people facing more than 4% inflation, Ethena, Tang, and Telegram are delivering the ultimate dollar saving solution: easy, global, and accessible through wallet on Telegram. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.